for more example. Okay, example number 2. So check if 16 centimeter, 9 centimeter, and 6 centimeter can form a triangle. Step 1, what is the value of A? Okay, how about B? 9. And C is? 16. Okay, step 1, add A and B. A, which is 6, plus B, 9. 6 plus 9. Okay, 15. Compare two numbers. Okay, less than. Kapag dito pa lang less than na automatic, we cannot form a triangle. Hindi na natin kailangan pang kunin yung ibang sum. Kasi kailangan tatlong greater than. Do you understand? Okay, now, more example. This time, balikan natin anak yung example kanina, yung sa straw. The measure of the straw, we have 4 cm, 6 cm, and 10 cm. So again, what is A?
4.
What is B?
C.
And what is C? Okay, so step 1, add A and B. 4 plus 6, 10. And then ano yung third side? Compare the two numbers. Equal yan. X na agad yan. Meaning, kahit yung mga susunod ay greater than, so ano pa rin sa final answer? We cannot form a triangle pa rin. Triangle cannot be formed kasi po, equal sign yung ginamit dito. Kailangan ilang greater than? Tatlo.